2 numbers. That's all Vince Gilligan gave us to hold on to. 2 simple numbers. 600 light years and 13 immune survivors.
It's the same exact data repeated every 78 seconds.
Plus, this is coming from 600 light years away.
We've spent the entire first season looking at star maps, obsession over the Kepler sector, convinced that the joining is an invasion. But what if we're reading the map wrong? What if the distance isn't space, but time? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are not just talking about a TV show. We are talking about the extinction of the human race. I want to propose a theory that changes everything you think you know about Pluribus. I call it the future signal theory. Let's look at the facts. The signal that created the hive mind, the hum that Carol hears, is supposedly alien. But have you noticed something strange? It fits us too well. It doesn't destroy our biology. It doesn't terraform the planet. It specifically targets the human ego. It targets our anxiety, our greed, our need to be right. Now, ask yourself, why would an alien from Kepler 22b care about erasing human anxiety? They wouldn't. But we would. Here is the theory. The signal is not coming from 600 light years away. It is coming from 600 years in the future. In science, there is a concept called the Great Filter. It suggests that civilizations inevitably destroy themselves once they get powerful enough, because they cannot control their own aggressive nature. In the future timeline, humanity hit that wall. We didn't make it. Our individuality, the very thing we prize so highly, led to wars that scorched the sky. But perhaps a group of scientists or a rogue AI in that dying future found a loophole, a way to send a patch back in time. Think of the joining not as a virus, but as a software update. They are trying to rewrite history. They are trying to force us to evolve into a collective consciousness before we destroy ourselves.
Helen thought so too.
No, Helen is not one of you.
She joined us before she passed. She's gone, but all of her thoughts, her memories, they're right here.
They are trading our freedom for our survival. And this brings us to the tragedy of Carol. Ray Seahorn's performance is incredible because she portrays someone who is painfully human. She is jealous. She is bitter. She writes romance novels about impossible love.
Raban mounted the plank and leaped from sight.
We see her as the resistance leader, the hero fighting the zombies. But if the future signal theory is true, Carol is the villain. Think about it. If the hive mind is the only way to stop humanity from nuking itself in 600 years, then Carol's immunity isn't a gift, it's a glitch. Every time she saves someone from the hive mind, she is reintroducing the chaos that leads to the apocalypse.
You killed 11 million.
She is fighting for the right to be miserable, not realizing that her misery is the fuel for the end of the world. This recontextualizes the entire show. The series isn't The Walking Dead, it's a moral test. The show is asking us the ultimate question. Is it better to be a free individual in a dead world, or a peaceful cog in a living machine? The signal from the future is begging us to stop being us.
What about an atom bomb?
It'd be okay to say no at this point.
If you truly wanted a nuclear weapon, we would.
Yes or no?
Ultimately, Yes.
And Carol, poor Carol, just won't listen. Maybe that's why the Hive mind leaves the 13 survivors alone.
11 others?
Actually, now there are 12. There's a gentleman in Paraguay whom we became aware of this morning.
They aren't immune. They are the control group. They are the museum exhibit of what humans used to be. Let me know in the comments, if you had the choice, the eternal peace of the Hive or the messy, painful freedom of Carol, which pill do you swallow? I think I know what I'd pick.